Could the battlefield of the future be dominated by artificial intelligence, rendering human soldiers obsolete? What if this isn't just a dystopian science fiction plot, but a stark reality we are rapidly steering towards? Imagine a world where drones, not humans, patrol the skies, where autonomous weapons systems make split-second decisions about life and death. This is not a far-off future. This is a present we are creating, where the front lines of warfare are being redrawn by artificial intelligence. In the growing realm of artificial intelligence in warfare, the lines of accountability become blurred. The question begs, who bears the responsibility when an AI-driven weapon system causes unintended harm or worse, a fatal mistake? To put it into perspective, if a human soldier commits a war crime, there are established legal mechanisms to hold them accountable. But the battlefield is changing, and with it, the rules of engagement. As autonomous weapon systems take center stage, we are faced with a new set of legal dilemmas. What happens when these AI-driven systems commit the same crime? The programmer who wrote the code, could they be held accountable? Or perhaps the commander who deployed the system? Could we even consider holding the machine itself responsible? These are not hypothetical questions, but pressing concerns that our legal systems are currently ill-equipped to address. As we move forward, it's essential to develop new legal frameworks that can handle these complex issues, ensuring accountability while maintaining the balance between technological advancement and ethical considerations. In the next scene, we'll delve deeper into the ethical implications of AI in warfare, exploring these questions and more. Take the case of Project Maven, a United States military initiative that uses artificial intelligence to interpret video images and could potentially be used to improve the targeting of drone strikes. It raised a storm of controversy, leading to a heated debate about the ethical implications of AI in warfare and causing a group of Google employees to resign in protest. Or consider the Taranis drone developed by the United Kingdom, a prototype unmanned combat aerial vehicle which can theoretically select and engage targets without human intervention. It's another example of how AI could change the face of warfare, but also how it could blur the lines of accountability and ethics. On one hand, AI offers the promise of precision and efficiency, reducing human casualties and collateral damage. On the other hand, it presents an alarming picture of a future where machines, devoid of human judgment and empathy, hold the power of life and death. The ethical quandaries are numerous. If an AI commits an error leading to civilian casualties, who is to be held accountable? Can we trust machines to make moral judgments about the value of human life? And what about the risk of an AI arms race, where nations compete to develop increasingly sophisticated and potentially lethal AI systems? The answers to these questions are complex and fraught with uncertainty. What is clear, however, is that as we navigate this new frontier, we must ensure that we maintain control over these powerful tools. We must establish stringent ethical guidelines and accountability mechanisms to prevent the misuse of AI in warfare. To summarize, the future of warfare could very well be dominated by AI. However, with these advances come significant ethical dilemmas around accountability, the value of human life, and the potential for an AI arms race. As we continue to explore and harness the power of AI, it is imperative that we maintain human control over these systems and establish robust ethical frameworks to guide their use. The future of warfare is in our hands, and it's up to us to ensure that we navigate this ethical minefield with care and consideration. The decisions we make today will shape the battlefield of tomorrow. Our question for today: do you anticipate substantial shifts in the nature of warfare as a result of advancements in AI technology? Thank you for participating with us in this intellectual and contemplative journey. Support us by subscribing, liking, and commenting your thoughts for the next video.